Happy Tuesday, everyone. Crypto markets are green again. Is it time to get out our party hats and supplies and start celebrating? Or is there still a chance that Bitcoin could be in a correction? Let's take a look. What is up, everybody? I'm Scott Melker, also known as the Wolf of All Streets. We're here to talk about the Bitcoin correction, which seems to be coming to an end. I'm also going to take a look at what's going on with Ethereum. But first, I got to ask you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that like button down below. Also, check out my newsletter in the description and my sponsor, Femex, who's giving away some free Bitcoin if you sign up. But let's dive right into the charts now. And first, we're going to take a look at the daily Bitcoin chart. As you can see, we still have this massive bull flag that we broke out of that is still targeting the 63,600 area. We have not hit that target yet, and I still expect that to happen. You can also see that we're breaking through a key resistance here at 52,640. I'm really looking to see this daily candle close above that level. To me, that would be very bullish, and we're really seeing signs that this correction might be over. Important to note, this correction went to almost 30% drop, and now we're less than 10% off the highs. At this point, it's very, very minimal, and we will hope that we will continue up. That said, in the January correction, we did see price drop from 42,000 down to about 30, come all the way back up to 40 before dropping again. So you never know, anything can happen. Let's take a look here at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, Bitcoin price was in a local range here, an absolutely beautiful range because we had all these areas of resistance at the EQ. That's the equilibrium, the 50% level of that trading range. And then support for all these candles, support once again, and a move up, and then flipping the range from resistance to support. You can see that the range highs here were retested as support. That's absolutely beautiful textbook accumulation, price action. This should be a reversal. If I was looking to buy a dip personally, I'd be looking for something back at another retest of the range highs if that happens right in that red box. But there's certainly no guarantees that we're going to see that. If you're looking from a supply and demand perspective, I've laid out the areas of supply ahead. That's around that 58,000 high, and then two areas of support down below here, which you can see are areas where there's likely leftover buying interest and orders, which would cause there to be support. Also, as you can see here by the blue checks, we had a low, a high, a higher low confirmed by this higher high. Now, this higher high would not be confirmed until we make a higher low by holding above roughly the 46,000 area, but everything here looks like a new bullish trend to me, like bullish market structure. As you can see here on the line chart, which you know I love to look at for divergences, we did have confirmed bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart on March 6th, with price making a lower low and RSI making a slightly higher low. We have not seen that invalidated yet by any bearish or hidden bearish divergence. So for now, that bull dip is still valid. We are reaching overbought here. So some sort of sideways action or retracement would be of no surprise. Bottom line, everything right now looks pretty good for Bitcoin, hoping we do not repeat January where it drops again after getting very close to the highs. But for now, there's a lot of reason for optimism. Let's take a look at Ethereum now and see how it's doing on the Bitcoin pair. As you can see here, Ethereum has broken out from this purple descending resistance and looks like it's ready to continue up. We did see a recent drop here, but it's just testing this previous resistance as support right around the level of 0.0335. As long as we hold above that, this looks pretty good in the Ethereum Bitcoin pair, and we should see continued price action up. Just like on the Bitcoin pair, we're seeing low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, and again a higher high, and potentially another higher low now. Very bullish. I love this chart so much, the Ethereum USD pair, that I want to marry it. It's crazy. The red line, 1419.96, were the highs from 2018. Were perfectly retested as support here on the weekly chart, with two candles testing it and both closing at or above that line before seeing price accelerate away. Everything looks bullish to me on this Ethereum USD chart. I am actually arguably more bullish on Ethereum moving forward than Bitcoin for the foreseeable future because I think it just has a lot more upside. Just want to share a couple small pieces of news here. Nothing that compelling, but I want to note that my friend Mike McClone over at Bloomberg Intelligence has said that institutions prefer Bitcoin to gold ETFs. We all love to dunk on boomers, especially Peter Schiff. And it's nice to see that we actually have metrics to do so. As he's noted here, the Bitcoin to gold ratio is now over 1, meaning that there's more demand institutionally for Bitcoin and that interest in gold ETFs has gone sideways and is even dropping. Obviously positive news from the Fed, rising bond yields, all these things are holding down the price of gold. And we've seen the dollar rising a bit lately, but that has not affected Bitcoin, which continues to rise. So it really is a superior version of gold. I think it's time to get out those shovels and put that gold right back where it came from. Dig a hole, put it back in the ground. And a bit of news on Ethereum. Ethereum whales gobble 70% of ETH. These are levels we have not seen since the ICO craze of 2017. But once again, this time is different. It's not because of the ICO craze. It's because institutions are interested in Ethereum and they are buying it. These are different whales. It's proof that institutions are not only interested in Bitcoin, but are interested in Ethereum as well. Once again, I am Scott Melker, also known as the Wolf of Wall Street. Please subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, check out everything in the description, sign up for my newsletter, and until tomorrow, see you soon.